I'm going to show you how to make the free puzzle piece coaster from Kreative Kiwi. For this I'm going to be using a 5x7 hoop, 2 layers of wash away stabiliser, a matching bobbin and thread, some masking tape, squizzers and my fabrics and batting cut to size. You'll find a link to this design along with lots of other information such as where I get my supplies and discount code, or should I say discount codes, in the video description below, so please do take the time to have a look. You're going to start off by hooping and pinning your 2 layers of wash away stabiliser. Take your pin, lay it on top of your inner frame, push it through your stabiliser and bring it round and back through. And that will anchor your stabiliser and stop it being pulled down between the 2 hoop pieces. Load your chosen file into your machine along with your matching bobbin and thread, and then you're going to pop your hoop into your machine and stitch round number 1, and that's going to give you a placement outline for your batting. Place your batting over the outline and tape it in place. Pop your hoop into your machine and stitch round number 2 to secure it. Trim away the excess batting from around the edge of the stitch line. You're now going to add your backing fabric, so turn your hoop over. Place your fabric over the outline and tape it in place. Place your front fabric over the batting, taking care to position it where you want it to be, and tape it in place. Pop your hoop into your machine and stitch round number 3 to secure them. Load your matching bobbin and thread for the quilting of your coaster into your machine, and then you're going to stitch round number 4. If you don't want to quilt it, you can skip this colour. You're now going to trim up the excess fabric from both front and back of your hoop. So turn your hoop over and trim around the edge of the stitch line. Load your matching bobbin and thread for the satin stitch border into your machine, and then you're going to stitch round number 5. So that's all the stitching done. We're now going to free this from the hoop. So turn your hoop over and trim around the edge, taking care not to cut your stitching. There's one more step to go, and that's to get rid of all the excess stabiliser from around the edge. So I've got some warm water and a cotton bud. Dip it into the water and just wipe it round the edge. And that's your puzzle piece coaster finished. I hope you enjoyed this stitch along. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos as soon as they're published. Do pop along to Kreative Kiwi's Facebook group. There's lots of ideas, help and inspiration there for everybody. And thank you very much for joining me. You'll find a link to this design along with lots of other information such as where I get my supplies and some discount codes in the video description below.